how to create a sales funnel that brings results from scratch. How do you start? Where do you start? And what do you do? And to be honest, I paid thousands of dollars, if I may be honest, in mistakes, time, and to learn how to make that simple process. Because as I talked to you about in the previous section, simple works. And that's incredibly important that you have a simple process that works. And that's what I'm going to make you do right now. It's going to be very tactical. So I'm going to tell you exactly step by step how to do that. I may not be able to support visually the thing, but hey, just follow the process and you will be good. And because after a lot of trial and error, I basically figured out that simple process, and I'm going to share that with you guys. Step number one of the process. There are a lot of, how do you say that? Softwares, things that people use to create funnels. I like to go with a good old trusty ClickFunnels. So go first. The first step, if you want to create your first funnel from scratch, you go to clickfunnels.com. So you go to ClickFunnels. Step number two, you sign up and create a funnel. So you create a funnel, you're on that. First step is you choose the right funnel for you. So maybe generating leads, sales, webinar registrations. It depends on your case again, but pick one and pick up. I think that's the next step. Pick up a template. So you pick one and then you pick up a template. They have, I would say, around like 20, maybe 30 templates by funnel that are already made for you and that you can pick up. So you pick up those templates because again, they are simple and they are proven to work. So you pick up those templates and then you fill it up with your content. Simple as that. So you change the video, you change the text, and when you are done with that, you publish it. Simple as that. You publish it. And then next step is to drive traffic to it. Now, I may, if I had to add another step, which basically what you're going to do. So now you created your funnel. You have an idea. Okay, I created a funnel step by step, really simple. So maybe I'm going to go over them quickly again. So you go to ClickFunnels, then you sign up, create a funnel, choose the right funnel that's for you. Then you pick up a template, you fill it up with your content, you publish it, and you drive traffic to it. So you can drive traffic for it from a Facebook group, social media, ads, whatever you want. The thing is, when you drive traffic to it, you're going to be able to, as I told you, you commit first and then you figure it out later. You're going to see, okay, where is it broken? Because I can guarantee you that in the first try, you're not going to get it right. Even if I help you to avoid mistakes, you're going to have to figure out and tweak the process, tweak the funnel to make it work for you. So that's why you need to drive traffic on it to see, hey, where is it broken? Should I change the headline? Maybe I can put a better video. Maybe I can do that again. Maybe I need to change the text or the bottom. And then you can really test and go and see, okay, what should I change? What is working? What it's not? But you can only test that if you drive traffic to it. So that's what you should do. That's my little step-by-step process to create your first funnel. And that will help you to get started and get your first result so that ultimately you can grow your business online.